Today I'm going to show you how to go into console.redhat.com, set up repositories for consumption by systems, and manually configure those systems with those repositories. To start with, I'm here at console.redhat.com, and we need to switch to the preview mode. And then once I'm there, I can navigate to the repositories app, which is currently under observatory and monitoring. And here we are, and you can be sure that you're in the preview mode and that you have snapshotting enabled by noticing if you can see the Red Hat repository switcher. We can see here that we've had plenty of snapshots created for each repository for us to use. We'll go back over to custom, and you can add a custom repository. It will be snapshotted. Snapshot will be started immediately after creation. You can also come over to the popular repositories page and add, for example, RHEL 7 or EPEL 7, 8, or 9. Here, for example, I could just click add, and then that would be added over on the custom repositories page. You will need to wait for the snapshot to be completed. We're working on the status right now to reflect snapshotting, but if you click and see no snapshots yet, that means it's still in progress. These are not actually set up to be snapshotting, which is why they are, there's no snapshots right now, but we see EPEL 9 here. We have a snapshot, and we can see all the days that the snapshot was taken. Next up, we need to register a system. So I've got a RHEL 9 system here, and we're just going to run subscription manager register. And I need to find the password. All right, now that I think I have the password. Yep, there we go. We will register to access.redhat.com or the support portal, console. Whatever you want to call it. All right, so if we look in the Red Hat.repo file, we see all of the Red Hat repo data. We don't actually want that, and we can disable it by turning it off in the rhsm.conf file. That's etc rhsm.conf. By looking at the auto enable or manage repos line. So we want to set manage repos to 0. And then we can go ahead and delete that redhat.repos file. And then if we yum update, I had an extra repo in here. If we yum update, we'll have no actual repositories. So now we need to create those repositories. So I'm going to do all of them in a single file. I'm going to call it console.repo. And then we need to go back over to our repositories app in console. And so first we will set up some Red Hat snapshots. So I'll come down here to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 AppStream for x86-64. Let's view those snapshots, and I'm going to grab the latest one from February. I'm just going to click the copy button, go back to my terminal, and we're going to paste that in. Let's see. Oop, did I click? Oh, we may have a bug here with the label. I will take a look at that. But you see the name is correct here. So I'm confident this is the right repo. So we'll come back and do our base repo as well, 9x86 base, view all snapshots, copy that. And now let's come and do a custom repository. So I'm going to go and do EPEL. I'm going to switch back to the custom repositories and do EPEL 9. Let's see, here we go. We'll view those snapshots. The one from, I'll do Wednesday, March. There's another bug. I'll take a look at that as well. But we'll copy that. And so we now have EPEL 9 everything. So if we save that and now do a yum, we'll do a yum update. You can see it's fetching that repo content from console.redhat.com. using those snapshots. There we go, and there's 253 updates. I'm going to just yum install vim enhanced to show that that's working. And we'll import the GPG key. And there we go. We've got a system configured to a set of snapshots from console.dot. Thank you.